Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is part 3 of working on Brendan's Nissan 180Sx Type X. Today, we just went over to the parts store and we picked up this Miata battery. This is what we needed this whole time. Kind of a weird thing, but I'll describe it once we get in there. But we just cruised over in my 91 custom Nissan hardbody. So we got a full day of fun car-packed adventure for y'all. So let's get in the garage and I'll show you guys what we got going on. So I guess today's plan of action is we got to lift up the car. We're going to take the oil filter housing off. If you want to see how to do that, go check out part 2. We did that last video. The reason why we got to take it off is here's the old one. We got to basically put, these are brand new O-ring gaskets. We were just putting them in here to test, make sure they work. They are for a Nissan Sentra SER. Basically going to take off the oil filter housing, put those gaskets on, put it back on, and then we gotta drain the oil, then put new oil in it, all that fun stuff. But like I said, we already did all that. The fun stuff for you guys is we got to put this Miata battery in here sideways. The reason being is they ran this aftermarket piping through the battery tray. So we got a brand new battery last vid and it was too big. And now hopefully this will actually work for what we need it to. Everybody says that's what they run. So shouldn't have any problems there. We have a bag of seatbelts back there that need to go in here so we can basically drive it. Yeah, hopefully we can get it driving by the end of the day. I mean, that should be pretty simple stuff. Probably take an hour. Should be fun. So right over here, we got the oil filter housing out, and these are the gaskets that we didn't replace, and unfortunately causes some issues. I'm gonna clean up the housing a little bit, and then we have fresh, rubberized gaskets to throw in there, and hopefully that'll make a difference. I'm gonna make sure everything is nice and clean though, so it sits real flat. Give this another go, and hopefully this solves our problem. See if I can fit y'all down there so you can see that the oil filter housing is back on. So all I gotta do now is slide this oil filter back on, and we can get that little Miata battery in place. And once that's in place, seatbelts and bring it to registered. I mean, that's pretty much it. Simple vid. Well, I mean, it's all basic, simple stuff, but we just got the Miata battery in place. Got to start check it, check the oil, because we just put a new filter on there, had to drain some oil, put some oil in. And once that happens, we'll probably pull the car outside, let it idle, add the seatbelts, and hopefully get us on the road today.
I love Subarus.
All right, let's see it. Let's see it. Woo! This is intense, dude. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, this is so nasty. Maybe we'll get to clean up this video. We have no idea what's in store. We just got to do seatbelts and then register and insure, all that fun stuff. But, ooh, this is so sick. So we were just talking about the seatbelts. This side already has it. But Brennan made a good point that there's a hole right in the seat. So the seatbelt buckle just mounts there and we're done. I mean, like, literally that simple. Like, such a W right now. It's insane. All right, guys, we're in the 180. Buckles, check. And check this out. This is cool. I love the white faces on the gauges, but really cool down here. You get all these different lights for your e-brake, your doors open. I don't know, I just think that's cool. It's an older car, so it's cool to see little things like that in there. This is real popular in the 90s Nissan cars to have some, faces of your buttons and things like that kind of coming out around the wheel. It was bigger in the Z32s and Skylines. You had knobs up here and things like that. They kept it real simple in the 180. Yeah, that little veil side shift knob. But very, very cool right now. Like, this is really sick. I think this car looks so good with the purple truck back there. Like the wings and everything, the dramatic Nissan rear end. Just cool, man. Ooh, this is gonna be such a crazy car. Look at that thing. Show the viewers. This thing is so JDM. The license plate don't even fit. Let's go. The window won't go up now. Now we're hitting the button and it's making noise. So I don't know if it's this little box or if it's the actual window motor itself. There was a spare window motor with the car, so it's like as if the window motor had been replaced. I don't know if there's a way I can just put it up for now, but I don't think I can. Kind of a mess. Well, would you look at that? All registered. We got the window up. I used some bobby pins, kind of just cheated it, and now she goes up. There's a little box down here that we're gonna replace at some point, but that is not what this video is about. The whole point was just to get this thing out and going. You guys will see a couple clips of it, hopefully in action. It's gonna be crazy, boys. I couldn't do it any longer. This thing is just filthy, just water in here. So I'm not giving it too much love. It's getting the base treatment, but man, we gotta wipe this thing. Oh, look at that, so much cleaner, so much cleaner. Just gonna go around this car. Look at all the dust and things like that. It's maiden voyage. It's got to be at least kind of pretty, you know. Well, we are out here now. It is a new night. I can't say day because it's pretty dark out, but we're going to be taking out the 180Sx on its not its first maiden voyage, but for you guys it is. So it'll be pretty cool. It's our first time seeing it run under Brendan's ownership, going down the road. So we're gonna go take it out and just have some fun. It's Halloween night. Got to enjoy it. Sick. I love these taillights. Well, pile everybody in the back here and get going. My favorite part about this car, obviously, like the pop-ups look so good from here. You got a lot of space on the passenger side too. Like I don't know if you're as comfy on the driver's side, but there's just so much space to work with here.
The 90s Japanese cars, they all just seem to have a lot of leg room, which is pretty nice.
Yeah. You always expect them to be a little tighter, but like even the MR2 is really nice in that aspect. Wow. Dude, that pull is heavy. Man.
I think this has to be faster than the
MR2? Really?
I think so.
Oh man, that was good. That felt good.
Yeah.
Damn.
It feels pretty healthy, honestly.
Even 4 of us in here.
The other thing is it pulls that strong, and there's 4 bodies in here right now.
Yeah, it's crazy. That was sick. That's exactly what we needed.
Yeah.
Well, guys, the S13 is officially on the road. It is completely good. It's legit. Everything is I mean, now we just got some fun things we can do to it over the winter. Yeah, you guys are scrunched up back there. You got the cage though, so you're safe. You know, everybody's safe in here. The white face gauges are sick too. I was just talking to Brendan. I would assume that like white face gauges would have been like Nismo gauges usually in the S13s, but they actually say they're Cyber Stork. So they look cool though. They're overlaid over like the factory gauges, but it's pretty cool looking. I definitely think we got best case scenario. Like I said, we thought we were gonna have to do a full engine rebuild, and here we are cruising around in it. Literally September 25th, you got the car. October 10th, it was on the road. Yeah. That's nuts. That's crazy to think of.
Most of that was waiting for the part to come in.
Yeah, dude, it's true. So this is a huge W. Definitely a fun small series for you guys on the channel. There'll definitely be some more videos of this car to come, where we'll dive into some other things and keep playing with it, and you guys will get to see it at like car meets and car shows and things like that. But it was cool to take you guys along with us, and thankfully we didn't have to rebuild an engine, although it would have been a cool series. Definitely got best case scenario, so that was pretty awesome. Wow. Dude, that's so sick. Like I said too, I still gotta give credit to it. Like Cody Lorden's RB25 Neo swap car was the fastest car I've ever been in. He made about 500 horsepower in a 240SX shell. Like it was a 240SX.
Yeah.
So it's really cool. Like this car is quick and it's fun being in. Like I just love the S13s. So it just makes it so fun, man. Like it's cool, feel like almost experiencing that again. Yeah. I don't know what this makes for power. I'd have to figure maybe around 300 if I were to guess.
Yeah.
If I were to throw a shot in the dark, I don't know. We don't have it tuned or any like there's no dyno sheet or anything. But a good butt dyno would say this is about 300 horsepower. So it rips. Like this is a fun car. Just because we're so late into the season, I wanted to give you guys one exterior look of the 180 passing by to finish off this vid. Well, like I said, guys, we're gonna have tons of videos on this car on the channel, so if you want to see some more of this, be sure to keep up and hit that subscribe button. We are really hyped to finish off this series, especially right before winter. Like I said, it is literally Halloween today, right now, as I film this. We thought this would have been a full winter project, so very excited. And if you want to see some more content on Brennan's 180SX. Make sure to go subscribe to his channel. I'll put that down below, right here. And thanks so much for checking this out, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace out.